What's up, guys? It's Japa Rico here. Let's take a look at what happened to oil last year. Do you remember that in April last year, oil contracts, future contracts have reached negative values, and the same is valid for CFD contracts of oil, of course. And at that time, guys, I was telling you guys that was the time I was going to buy. I was going to go long on oil, and a lot of haters and people who don't know me well were like, and people who don't really know trading, they were like, hey Japa, but it's only $3, right? Do you believe in green energy? Do you believe in solar power? Do you believe in electric vehicles? I do believe in them, but I also believe that prices for oil were extremely cheap, and there would be a very very potential trade for me to maximize my profits if I bought oil at that time. And then turned out that I was right. And oil's been going up since then. And now it's $83, okay, $83. And the thing is, guys, although I believe in green energy, of course, but I don't really think that like oil, of course, like when people say, oh, Japa, but oil is going to be replaced by all these alternative energies, right? All alternative sources of energy. But then, hey guys, it's not something that is going to happen, especially if you do swings, right? Because I like swings. I like to be positioned for a few months, right? Or weeks or months, right? I like to do swings. And if you do swings, guys, don't think like that, because hey, what is right? I think it's a lot of BS, right? Although technology will eventually evolve, yeah, of course, but not in a matter of a few months, guys, right? It's not a matter that will affect, especially guys, it's not really something that will affect swing traders, right? It's not so I think as swing traders, guys, we shouldn't think like that, okay? So oil was a great opportunity, yeah. And by the way, once again, this is not financial advice. This is not financial recommendation of buying anything or selling anything. It's just me showing to you guys my views, okay? Look at oil, guys. The thing is, for 9 candles, guys, for the past 9 weeks, okay, price has been going, okay, for the past 9 candles, for the past 9 weeks, price is being always closing with a bullish candle, so all green candles. And for the first time now, guys, we got a bearish candle here, okay? What does it mean? So does it mean it will go down? Not necessarily, guys. Let's take a look at not necessarily, because I can show you the same thing happened in the past to natural gas, or even to oil itself. It happened that we got, for example, here on the daily chart, we got a series of bearish candles, right? We have bullish candles, but like we have bullish candles followed by a small series of bearish candles, and then another push with bullish candles and another bearish candle. And okay, so mixed candles, but anyways, the trend is been going on an uptrend, a very clear uptrend so far. That's for the daily. So for the weekly, guys, even though we got here a bearish, okay, we got a bearish candle, it doesn't mean necessarily that now there will be a reversal. Although I do think that we are very far from the dragon, guys. So there is this distance, guys, so don't forget about this distance. So there is this distance from the price right now until the dragon, guys. So there could be a correction, right? There could be a correction coming out soon, right? There could be a correction, which happened here, guys, right? So it happened here. So once we reach the maximum, like here, the new high, it made a new high, right? So price was already far from the dragon, so it corrected back to the dragon to make a new high. So there could be the case that from this week, guys, we could start to make a new correction back to the dragon again, right? So that's possible. That's possible for oil. Let's take a look at natural gas. So for natural gas, guys, you can see that, okay, for natural gas, guys, you can see that is a very clear, at least to me, on the weekly chart, okay, very clear bullish trend here, going on right here, right? And then even if you change the daily chart, guys, is still clear to me, because if you minimize this, you can see that the trend is still clear, right? And price is only like $5 now, sorry. So 5.5, right guys? So this is, I think it's more likely that this trend will continue, right? Especially if you think about the dragon is moving along the dragon, okay? So this trend, I think, is more likely to continue like this, okay? So we don't really have like potential of correction, even though, and also because we are already very close to the dragon, right? Which doesn't happen for oil. So once again, if you look at oil, guys, you're going to see that it's not the same case, because oil, guys, is like this. So if you look at oil, guys, so there is this distance, right? So there is this distance, because right now price is here. So there is this distance that it enables right price to correct all the way back to the 200 EMA, okay, or at least back to the dragon, which is here. So there is still some distance between the price and the dragon to correct, or could correct back to the 200 EMA, which it did here, right guys? Like a month ago, August, okay, in August it corrected to the 200 EMA. So there could be a possibility that this time it would correct again, right? So that's my view, guys. And once again, this is just me sharing with you guys my view about the markets. It's not financial advice. Let me know what you guys think about it. Do you agree with my analysis or not? Please let me know, and hope to see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.